Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to delete Binomo account. To delete Binomo account, first you have to tap open your application or visit the official website binomo.com. Make sure that you are logged in. Once you are logged in, tap on the profile icon located on the bottom right. Here, you will see various options including editing your profile, managing two-factor authentication, your bonuses, calendar, top traders, Binomo on Telegram, help center, chat, contacts, client agreement, and logout. Right below logout, you will see delete account option. Tap on it. You can specify the reason for leaving Binomo right here. Select one of the reason. Then enter your password. Make sure that you enter the correct password. After this, tap on Hold to delete. Hold it until it turns red. And here you go, you have successfully deleted your account on Binomo. Once you delete your Binomo account, your access to the platform is permanently removed. If you decide to return, you will need to create a new account as deleted account cannot be restored. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.